Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Sophia.
Where are you from?
I am from USA.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What time do you go to college?
I go to college at 9 a.m.
What do you do after work?
I watch TV after work.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10.
Do you take a nap in the afternoon?
Yes, I take a short nap.
Do you like rice?
Yes, I like rice.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you eat fruit every day?
Yes, I eat fruit every day.
What fruit do you like?
I like apples and bananas.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
Do you drink water every day?
Yes, I drink water every day.
What food do you not like?
I do not like spicy food.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Who is in your family?
My father, mother, brother, and me.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a teacher.
Do you have a sister?
No, I don't have a sister.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, I visit them on weekends.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Emma.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
What book do you like?
I like storybooks.
Do you write in English?
Yes, I write in English.
Do you learn fast?
Yes, I learn fast.
Do you have a teacher?
Yes, I have a good teacher.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games.
What games do you play?
I play football.
Do you take photos?
Yes, I take photos.
Do you watch videos?
Yes, I watch videos.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music.
Do you use Facebook?
Yes, I use Facebook.
Do you learn English online?
Yes, I learn English online.
Do you like writing?
Yes, I like writing.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I like singing.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, I go shopping.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go to the park.
Do you visit friends?
Yes, I visit friends.
Do you travel by bus?
Yes, I travel by bus.
Do you travel by train?
Yes, I travel by train.
Do you enjoy your life?
Yes, I enjoy my life.